Alright, so time for another very important Excel trick. So the problem I'm facing right now with my data is that my data is in horizontal orientation. So for example, if I have to look the details for product 3, I have to look horizontally. 3 Washington strawberry milk, product SKU, price, cost, etc. What if I want these details to be available vertically? How can I do that? Of course, manually it would take a lot of time. So how can we do that using some Excel tool? So first of all, I will select all the data and I will press Ctrl C to copy it. Now I'm going to the next sheet in my Excel, and what I will do is that I will paste here Alt ESV, that is basically paste values. So I will paste here. So alternatively, if you want to avoid this shortcut, what you can do is that once you have copied your data, go here and then press paste, and in that paste special, and then say values. We only need values. And one thing I want to do is that I want to apply transpose. So transpose is basically the command that will change the orientation from horizontal to vertical, or from vertical to horizontal. So in this case, I have selected the horizontal data, so it will give me the vertical data. I will just press OK, and you can see that all of your data is now available in the vertical orientation from top to bottom. So if I can just check, product key 3, product number 3 has 0.83 in cost and 0.4 and 13.3. so let us check 0.83, 0.4 and 13.3, and that is Washington strawberry milk. So that is how you can change the orientation from horizontal to vertical. Or for the sake of illustration, I'm just deleting this. I'm going back to my original data here, and that is, if I select this data from top to bottom, I mean the vertical orientation, I will just copy it here and I will go back to the sheet 2 and I will say paste, and then I want to paste here, so I'll say paste and then paste special and then values and transpose. So I will say transpose and I will click OK, and you will see that the vertical data has now been given the horizontal orientation 1 2 3 4. In this sheet it was from top to bottom, and in this sheet it is from left to right. So that is one way you can change the orientation of your data. So for now I'm deleting this and I'm going back. Now what I want to do is that I just don't want to convert one column or one row. I will select all the data and I want to shift it from vertical orientation to horizontal orientation. Okay, so I will copy it here and I will go back to this sheet and I will say paste and then paste the special please, and okay, I will say transpose. I will say okay. You can click on values, but that is not important here, so I will do transpose is important. You will click OK, and you will see that all the data has been given in the vertical orientation. So if I can just quickly check any of them, so product number 5 has the weight of 6.66 kg. So if I go back here, product ID 5 has the weight of 6.66 kg. So that is one tool that is very useful if you have data in different orientation and you want it into the other one.